What's up, guys? Welcome to Etsy Print on Demand Shop Reviews episode 35. We've got a banger of a shop to review, and that shop is Paper Emporium Co. They've done almost 26,000 sales. I'm sure by the time you guys see this video, they'll probably be above 26,000. And yeah, they basically are selling a lot of prints, except instead of doing like digital files, my understanding is that it looks like they are actually their mock-ups look like they would be a digital file mock-up, but it looks like they actually are doing delivery of the physical printed product itself as well. So I can't wait to see their shop and see if we can learn anything that maybe we can apply to our own Etsy businesses. Why don't we get started? All right, here we are at the Paper Emporium Co. I will, of course, drop a link in the description so you can check out the shop yourself. So first thing I noticed is that like their banner is kind of hard to read. It looks like a low quality image. Not that it really matters all that much. Like I can still read it, but it's just funny that the paper, theme and the text over top of it is like kind of poor contrast and looks like it's a low resolution being stretched, but not that that really matters. Let's see, personalized paper goods and stationery. That is their shop theme. They got the star seller. Their announcement is new designs added. So that's kind of funny. It doesn't seem like they've really gone and spent that much time on like the actual like Etsy shop aspect of running their business, which honestly is how I go about being on Etsy. I never spent that long on trying to make my shop look cool. I typically just kind of, I assumed most customers that were buying from me were doing the search, find, buy, like search, click in search results, check out, like not actually checking out my shop. You know what I mean? That was just my personal take on it, though. I know some other people have success bringing people to their shop. And, I actually had somebody reach out to me earlier this week that was saying that. But they have, I think, 4 or 5 Etsy shops. I think they said 5. And they said that they theme each of their shops. And that, in turn, leads to a lot more visibility on the actual shop itself. That's this page, right? Because I don't think the shops themselves actually really get indexed in search results. Like, I know you can find them in search results, or at least I think you can. I know you can type the shop name into search and get here, but anyways. So let's see what they got going on. First and foremost, they are running a sale, 15% off. It always looks good to run a sale. I wouldn't imagine why you wouldn't run a sale. They also offer free shipping, which looks really good. And now that I'm thinking about it, like if you're selling, okay, actually, no, you know what? Because we're going to have to take a close look at some of their prints. Actually, this is genius. Look at the first one in their shop. I wonder if this is their best seller. It's literally just special date, wedding date memory, personalized milestone. Oh man, it's so smart to sell something like this. And the fact that they can actually deliver the physical product sets them apart because, look at this. So we click select a size. And what's the first thing you see? Digital file. Okay, so some people are ordering just the digital file and they're paying almost $10 for what? You know what I mean? For something that probably took them 2 minutes, like a skilled graphic designer probably took 2 minutes to design this. Beyond that, you can actually just select the design itself that you would like to purchase. All right, they have a little label underneath each one saying which design number it is. And all of these are probably just templates that they stored on the back end. By the way, guys, if you missed my designs tutorial earlier this week, definitely check that out. I can link to it in the description for you because man, it's going to show you how to get your Etsy digital print business started. And it's software that like is just, it's so good. Like I kept saying in the tutorial, it's going to blow your mind when you bring all of it together and you see the potential that is packed into it. Okay. So you don't want to miss that. It's free on my channel. So here you can see though that they are charging various amounts based both on, I guess, design and by size of print. So you can select the size there, and then you can also select which design you want down here. Okay. So that's interesting though. And I love that they do the digital file as well, because every time they see a digital order come in, they're probably just like high-fiving each other because that's like easy. You don't have to print anything. You don't have to ship anything, etc. And they're offering free shipping too. So anytime you're able to weasel your way into offering free shipping on a digital file, that's a win-win for you. And I don't think we can actually do that. If in Etsy, when you create a listing, you have to say if it's a physical product or a digital. If you put digital, I doubt you can put free shipping on there because it wouldn't make any sense. Yeah, so they're obviously doing really well. Other people want this. 6 people have it in their carts. Star seller, free shipping, US, brilliant. Let's check out their description here and see if there's anything we can learn from. I kind of like this theme. Look how they type their description. They have like a space between each letter. That's really, I think it looks pretty sharp actually, especially like for like what I call the Etsy vibe, for lack of a better term, the Etsy vibe, you know, where it has that handmade, homemade feel. I think this actually looks really nice. And it works well with the Etsy theme, you know, the Etsy font that we don't have any control over. So I think that looks good. So I'm gonna note that to myself that I like the way that looks. You know, so in here they have description, they have customization, the paper, information on the paper that they print on, sizes, looking for another size, just send us a message so they can customize it, shipping, delivery, additional notes, etc. Really, you know, it's a good looking listing, guys. It doesn't hurt that they have the star seller accolade as well with 26,000 sales and average 5-star review. I mean, of course, you know, that also never hurt anybody. But guys, you know, start today and who knows where you'll be in 5 years, right? You may have more sales than Paper Emporium Co., but you got to get started, right? What else do they got going on their shop? A lot of nice little designs here. I mean, let's check out some more of these designs. Also these, this is what I want. This is what made me want to review this shop, guys. So anybody that did catch my Designs review, or not the review, the interview with Curtis, the owner of My Designs, he mentioned that they do have plans to do something like this, where it's multiple wall prints, you know, that go together. I think there's a better example on here of these. Let me see if I can find one, because this is what really, okay, yeah. So I don't know if they're doing what Curtis described. Curtis had said that like he envisions that in the future, the My Designs software will be able to take like one image and kind of clip it into the multiple graphics basically for us. So instead of that being a manual process, you know what I mean? We'll just put it in the software and it'll go, you know, clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. Whereas like all the ones on the Paper Emporium do look like they're individual images that still look great if you were to stand them next to each other and whatnot. By the way, again, they have some kick-ass mock-ups. Your mock-ups, guys, that is your bread and butter on Etsy. So definitely don't hesitate to spend a little extra time making sure your mock-ups are good. Or use My Designs, honestly, if you're selling digital prints at least, because their mock-up system is amazing. And I certainly have my preferences for how I like to make them look. And I can do it pretty much all in bulk. So it's just really nice. All right, so we've got those. What else we have here? More dates, special wedding dates. Actually, this is the one we looked at before. Custom star map print, couples special date. So you can see the theme of this shop, and it fits right into the Etsy theme, if you ask me anyways. You know, couples special dates, wedding, anniversary, Valentine's Day, etc. Right? They're just honestly getting indexed on these keywords. When women need a gift idea, they're like, uh-oh, let me go to Etsy and search for wedding gift idea. And then boom, custom star map print. Now, I'm guessing that most of the people that buy from this shop don't set out to buy a custom star map themed for, you know, them and their significant other. That's just me guessing. I don't know for sure, but to me, it's, you know, me and Marielle would probably call this kind of cheesy. I'm just being honest. Like, we it's just not our thing, I guess. So I can't imagine that we would ever set out and be like, oh yeah, this is what we want, you know, hanging on the wall. It's not our bag, you know, not our cup of tea, but hey, obviously they're doing really well selling them. So I'm not hating either on people that do want something like this. When I look at this, I just think of it from the seller perspective. I would never buy this, honestly, but that's just me. Anyways, what else we have here? Custom star map print. They're doing doubles though. Okay. That's pretty cool. Again, this is just really to borrow ideas, to expand our minds for like what we can sell. Because, hey, we may not be able to do the digital print side of things right now. I mean, who knows what's going to change in the future? When I say digital print, sorry, I meant physical print. But we can certainly sell the digital files right now. So, hey, having a digital file selling for $13.22, sign me up for that all day, okay? I love this idea now. All of a sudden, I'm a big fan. Whatever I said earlier about not wanting these on my wall, hey, you know what? I'll put it on the wall. If I can sell these at $13.22, I will throw 3 of them up on my wall while I sell them all day. Because we're here doing e-commerce for the money, right? So if this is what people want, then this is what the people shall get. I'm going to start selling these. I mean, I'm just being kind of sarcastic here, but I love the idea. So like, where can we expand this to? If our target audience is, you know, newlyweds, you know, getting a wedding gift, etc. Maybe they just bought a home, so new home type thing. You know, this is something that I'm going to continue to look into. I'm excited to see, you know, what else is out there. Hopefully we can learn together. If you guys have any good ideas, by the way, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you if you have any cool ideas for digital prints. Also, again, the enabling like personalization, I think, is a great idea for these digital prints if you have the ability to personalize them, especially if you're going to charge, you know, or you know what I mean? Like if you're going to offer personalization, make sure you're charging a premium and not just doing it for like $2. Guys, I think that's about it. That's all, you know, that I think we should cover here with the Paper Emporium Co. If you guys want to check it out, again, links in the description, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.